Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So if you are a creator or a blogger for example and want simple but powerful email marketing, ConvertKit is a solid choice. So in today's small tutorial I'll make sure to show you how to integrate Squarespace with ConvertKit in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. We're gonna go and look for basically ConvertKit. So we can basically go all the way to login using your email address and password. Since we want to access your actual dashboard, you can even create an account if you don't have one, it's totally fine. Then create a form by going to Grow, Landing Pages, then Forms, and create a form. Copy the embed code there. By choosing embedded, copy the JavaScript or HTML code. So we're gonna go back now to look for Squarespace on our search bar, then tap on this website, go all the way to login using your email address and password. So basically the dashboard's gonna look like this. Tap on edit pages here, then tap on edit, then go and edit the pages. For example, we want to put the code here, we're gonna tap on add block here. Go scroll down, tap on code, then put it here. Basically, that's our code. Double press it, then select the mode if it's HTML, JavaScript, or whatsoever. Then paste the code and hit enter. You can then save and publish your website. After this, go ahead and test the integration by submitting a test email and confirm it appears in ConvertKit. And that's it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.